You want to live longer and stronger? I don't mean getting old and frail. I mean staying strong and living life to the full till the day you shuffle off this mortal coil. It's more than just possible. There are places in the world where people do exactly that. What if I told you there are places where people regularly hit 100 years old and they're not just surviving, they're thriving? I'm talking gardening at 92, starting businesses at 88, and partying with friends at 95. Take, for example, the Japanese city of Okinawa. Here's what's crazy. Most people think living longer means expensive supplements, crazy diets, or some magical meditation routine. Wrong. Dead wrong. These Japanese centenarians are using a system so simple, you'll kick yourself for not doing it sooner. Let me break this down. The average American spends $1,200 per year on supplements. Meanwhile, these Japanese elders spend zero on supplements, but get 7+ more years of life. Math doesn't lie. That's an $8,400 savings while living longer. Talk about asymmetric upside. So buckle up, because I'm going to give you 7 practical steps, bonus insights included, straight from the book Ikigai, and from the real-life people who inspired it. You want that dream outcome of living a longer, happier, and more purposeful life? Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly why these ancient folks have more energy and excitement than half of us combined, and how you can replicate it. Anti-aging secret number 1, Radio Taiso mornings. Ever heard of Radio Taiso? It's a quick, low-impact group exercise routine broadcast on the radio every morning in Japan. You might say, seriously? Stretching to radio music is going to help me outlive my neighbors? Heck yes! It keeps these centenarians limber, awake, and ready to crush the day. And the best part? You can do it in your living room. No gym membership, no special gear, no excuses. Anti-aging secret number 2, social meetups on repeat. Let me tell you about something else these guys do. They hang out with friends every single day. That's next-level frequency. They have groups called moai, basically squads that share not just the usual gossip, but also finances, burdens, and joys. Talk about value. They transform "give me my money" into "we've got your back." If you feel your life sucks because you're lonely, implementing just a fraction of this will yield a disproportionate bump in your happiness metrics and likely your lifespan. The 10 rules of Ikigai, condensed into your action plan. Here's where we address the "what do I do" question. Ikigai outlines 10 rules. They might sound simple, but they combine into a game-changer of a blueprint. Ready? Stay active. Don't retire. Retirement is a commoditized concept. These folks keep adding value to the world. Take it slow. No need to sprint through every day. Go at a sustainable pace. Eat until you're 80% full. Surround yourself with good friends. Community reduces stress and multiplies joy. Get in shape with gentle daily exercise. Remember Radio Taiso? Exactly. Smile and acknowledge people. Sounds small, but it's a big deposit in the positive vibes bank. Reconnect with nature. We're talking fresh air, sunlight, the works. Give thanks. Gratitude is a compounding currency. Live in the moment. Stress sucks the life out of you. Literally. Follow your Ikigai. Find your reason to jump out of bed. You dial these in, and you're going to see a massive value discrepancy between your new life and your old one. Anti-aging secret number 3. The Ikigai Venn diagram, your purpose GPS. Now, let's talk about the famous Ikigai Venn diagram that's probably popping up in your Instagram feed. It's not just pretty, it's powerful. Picture 4 overlapping circles: what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. Where all 4 intersect, that's your Ikigai, your reason for being. Here's why this matters. Most people chase just 1 or 2 of these elements. They follow the money and their life becomes about their profession. That is, they are being paid for and are good at, but don't particularly enjoy. Or they pursue projects that they love and are good at, but the world doesn't need. so it doesn't pay the bills. That's a passion. Or something that the world needs and is prepared to pay for, that's a vocation. Some are fortunate enough to find something they are passionate about, and the world needs it. That's a mission. The Okinawans, they've crept the code by finding that sweet spot where all four elements converge. Think about it. The 92-year-old gardener isn't just growing vegetables. She's doing what she loves, gardening, what she's good at, cultivating rare local plants, what her community needs, fresh produce, and what provides value, selling at the local market. That's not retirement. That's living in alignment. And the ROI on alignment, immeasurable. Wabi-sabi, how imperfection elevates your life. Wabi-sabi is basically the idea that imperfections are not just okay. They're beautiful. A crept mug, an aging face, a scuffed floor, all good. You might be rolling your eyes like, why on earth would I celebrate flaws? Here's why. If you stress about every tiny imperfection, your life is going to revolve around guilt, anxiety, and the pursuit of some weird, Pinterest-level perfection that doesn't exist. Accept reality, adapt, and move on to bigger things, like leveling up your happiness. Anti-aging secret number 5, logotherapy and Viktor Frankl, the why that outlasts the how. Ever heard of Viktor Frankl's man's search for meaning? Ikigai aligns with Frankl's notion that if you have a reason, a real purpose, you can survive anyhow. The authors use logotherapy to show how a sense of purpose demolishes limiting beliefs and fear. When your life has meaning, the daily grind feels more like a mission. That is pure value right there. Anti-aging secret number 6, having purpose in tough times. These Ankanawans aren't exactly living cushy, conflict-free lives. Some endured wars, poverty, and heartbreak. But guess what? They show up every day with an I still have a job to do attitude, growing vegetables for neighbors, teaching grandkids a craft, or just making sure the local community center is stocked with fresh tea. Whatever their role, they do it with pride. That's purpose, and it's a bulletproof vest against despair. You might suck at it at first, but if you keep at it, you're unstoppable. By now you should see how these secrets can impact you in a massive way. You get longevity boost, gentle exercise, mindful eating, and strong social ties all ramp up your survival game. Meaningful connections, solid friendships, daily interactions, and that warm community feel. Purpose on tap. Wabi-sabi, logotherapy, and Ikigai keep you motivated even when life decides to throw you a curveball. These aren't gimmicks. They're time-tested behaviors that deliver insane ROI on your energy, your health, and your sense of fulfillment. Bottom line, if you want an edge, if you want to outlive, out-hustle, and out-happy the average person, you need to start these steps. Do the Radio Taiso thing in the morning. Go out for a coffee at least once a week with a friend. And remember that 80% full is your new mealtime limit. Because as these Okinawan elders prove, living to 100 doesn't have to suck. It can be awesome. Read the book, follow the framework, and see how it changes your life. I guarantee you'll find at least one concept that resonates so strongly it becomes part of your daily routine. So go for it, and let's see if you can make it to 100 with a smile on your face and a community of friends cheering you on. Value delivered, curiosity satisfied, time to act. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think about Ikigai and what you plan to implement. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more like this, just subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss a thing.